Rag Agrawal, Assistant Director, Science and Technology, and is representing Business Division of FICCI, Center for Technology Commercialization. Today in Ludhiana city, we have organized a roadshow on Millennium Alliance, and this roadshow is focusing on the innovations in India. Basically, this Millennium Alliance platform is the partnership is a joint agreement between FICCI, Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industries, and Technology Development Board, Government of India, which is again a Department of Science and Technology, and USAID, which is United States Agency for International Development. Out here we are focusing on innovations in India. Basically, India is a complex country where we can find out from the bottom of pyramid, we can find out innovations which can be a solution to the questions answered globally. So those questions which are answered, which are question arises globally, Millennium Alliance can be a solution to that. Out here, our focus is to provide funding to those ideas. Out here in this Millennium Alliance platform, we start the grant funding from the idea level. So it does not mean that a person who has a prototype can only be funded, but an idea can really work ahead in this Millennium Alliance platform. So from the day one, once we receive an idea through our application process, we review it and then we request for submission of final full application form, which is again a subjective in nature, and we understand the technical feasibility of that idea and the commercial feasibility, so that that idea can be taken to the masses, and that idea should aim the aim is the bottom of pyramid people, bottom of a pyramid, and those people who are earning less than $7 a day. So these people are the focus areas of the Millennium Alliance platform, and the funding will start somewhere once we receive the application. 15th November is the last date for receiving the first LOI, letter of interest, and similarly, which will be reviewed simultaneously, and then we will request for full application form, which is again subjective in nature, and that application form has to be received till 15th of December, and then further our evaluation committee will review it. And now saying about the Millennium Alliance, basically Millennium Alliance will provide soft funding, a soft loan kind of thing with the help of TDB and other agencies. We will raise a fund. We have received a particular funding from USAID. We have received a particular amount of funding from TDB, and now FICCI has its own commitment to raise the similar amount of funding to Millennium Alliance accounts, from where the funds will be distributed to the people who are awarded in the Millennium Alliance platform. So innovation is the main focus for Millennium Alliance out here. These innovations, you must be remembering that we have an innovations like Green Revolution. We have the innovation like ORS, which is again focusing on masses. So similar kind of focused approach, focused innovations, focused ideas we are looking forward. So by saying innovations, I don't mean only the products, but we are also into looking for any service model, any organization model, any business model, or any product which is technically feasible, or any already existing technique, or already existing maybe already existing philosophy which can be further taken into action and can benefit the masses. So our main focus is to find out the efficient and effective way with a small, which is taking a small, which is shortening the existing time mechanism for the innovations.
What type of the ideas Rapana?
Out here, we are focusing to ideas which are open. We are open to each and every sector, but our main focus is basic education, climate change, agriculture, water sanitation, family planning, and health, child health. So we are focusing on basic education. We are focusing on water and sanitation, family planning. We are focusing on maternal child health. We are focusing on agriculture, food security, climate change. And even if an innovator does not have, if an idea and does not have an idea that which category, in which sector out of these 6 sectors it is focusing on, we have a category as others, where he or she can submit their ideas without finding out. Yes, yeah.
What criteria you choose this?
Yeah. See, basically, as I mentioned out here, we are focusing. India is one of the biggest platform where we can find the already existing innovations, or the innovations, the ideas which can globally be served to the society, to the humankind. So out here, even those ideas which will work for India, we are looking forward to take those ideas beyond the boundaries of India. We are also focusing to take it to places like Afghanistan or any other developing nations, because which have the same demographic conditions, or same basically geographical conditions, where those ideas can be taken forward. So it's not only about India, but we are also focusing on global problems. So this Millennium Alliance is focusing on the impact of the innovations throughout the country as well as out of the boundaries of India.
How many is loan now?
See, basically, from idea, there are different stages. It's been divided into two stages. From stage one, stage one is from the idea till the making of a prototype. So for that, we are funding approximately around 50 lakh rupees. And then from funding to further scaling up, we are providing up to 3 crore 75 lakh rupees in this stage one and stage two funding.
In total India, how many target?
So we are open to n number of applications. Will review it because we can't constrain on the numbers. We can get n number of ideas. We are going to choose that idea which has a subject line attached to it, which is focusing on masses. So we are here to evaluate those ideas which are focusing on masses. So our main focus is in masses. So this is where we are focusing innovations. 15th of November is the LY day, and 15th of December is the final application, receiving of final application. So for individuals, it's very easy to register. We are doing 60 road shows across India. We have already commenced 56 road show. In Ludhiana, this is 57th road show. So we have already done those, and we have got a good response all over country. We have traveled from tier A, B, and C cities. We have even traveled Durgapur, Azamgarh, Firozabad, Ahmedabad. So all these capital cities as well as cities which are considered in population categorized in term B, C, and D cities. And we are also tying up with various NGOs. We are looking forward for NGOs. We are looking forward those people whomsoever attend in roadshow to take our words, to take this Millennium Alliance platform forward in terms of in their society, be an ambassador of this program, and spread the words through the words of mouth about this program, so that whomsoever they are attached to, if there is an innovation or innovator, they can